why he got that name Juice. It's such a nice name. Deepak ready. Now who's coming with Anas on the non-striking end, and Sean picking up 2 wickets. And look at what Artisan cricketers have done. They have sent in a left-hander against the wrist spinner for the next over. If Sean will be given the ball, that will be interesting. But right now, it's Juice. Taps it. Cannot beat short third. Two new guys and now 2 new batters will have to rebuild this for Artisan cricketers, because whatever Mudassir had done, did not see the ball, did Deepak. It was very, very genuine. Asif Basha and Mudassir taking Artisan cricketers to this extent was a really good achievement. But now it's SGCC 11 bringing back this game into their kitty, into their control as of now. Shan, who comes at a deep mid wicket with a successful 2 wickets. Will be interesting to see if he bowls the next over against a left-hander. Dilip comes in and throws to Dilip, our umpire. Deep point. Mahesh will put it in for a single. It's all been singles since the partnership is broken between Asif and Mudassir. Stuck on the pads. Nope. Dilip says height. Maybe. That's the end of the over. We'll see that once again on Y Sports. It was a good decision though coming in. Clearly. Hit above the knee roll. No doubt at all. Hit on the thigh pad. So it was the height in contention. But what bowling figures by Juice. 3 overs, 14. And he's not picked up a wicket. Not a problem. But he's not given the runs away. Now this is interesting. This is what I was expecting. Sean, wrist spinner, leg spinner up against a left-hander. 106 on the board for the loss of 4 wickets. ಮೊದಲ ಓವರ್‌ನಲ್ಲಿ 2 ವಿಕೆಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು ಶಾನ್. ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್‌ಶಿಪ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಆಸಿಫ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಮುದಸಿರ್ ಅವರ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್‌ಶಿಪ್ ನ. ಈಗ ಬೇರೆ ತರದ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಈಗ ದೀಪಕ್ ಅವರ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಡೀಪ್ ಮಿಡ್ ವಿಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವಯ್ಯ. In fact, deep square leg alli Devaya shot fine. Hago deep mid wicket hinde on the onside. Interesting. Driven straight down the ground. Will be wrong ons now for sure from Sean. Will not go in for that. classic leg spinning delivery against Deepak Reddy. But now against Anas, it will be more of his territory. There you go for the spin. Beautifully executed by Sean. Gave that flight that ball required. And trying to sweep across the turn is Anas. Beaten completely for the flight. Look at that ball turn after pitching. Once again against the turn. This time he connects over the commentary box for the 6. Gave that challenge. Anas equally good. Picked up that challenge. Look at that. Got the elevation right this time. Just a little more outside the off stump. The ball was dragged and that gave the elevation for Anas to go for that 6. Deep mid wicket and deep backward square. Oh, we'll have to re-bowl that. We'll have to re-bowl that once again. Deep square leg and deep mid wicket. Mahesh and Abhijit respectively. Wanted to sweep that, wanted to paddle that away because short fine was inside the 30-yard circle. Did not make any connection. Now it's Deepak Reddy, left-hander. Will be seeing in wrong ones or the straighter deliveries. There we go. As expected. Mahesh at deep point will keep it down to 1. Oh, good one, good one. Ball pitching and turning as much as it should be. 14 overs done. 116 for the loss of 4 wickets with 6 overs to go. Abhijit now will be coming in to finish up his spell. Naveen Police got 1. Devaya has bowled in 2 overs. Dilip has bowled 2. Naveen Puli has got 3 under his sleeve. Srijit has bowled 2 overs. Abhijit for his last spell and Sean has bowled 2 overs respectively. Gone! Abhijit gets Deepak Reddy back into the dugout. Off spinner against the left-hander. Did not pick that up at all. Was staying on the back foot. Was Deepak Reddy. Chopped on to the stumps. Can we have the roller be ready to roll in off the pitch after the innings is done? Umpire roller ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇನ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೋಲಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪಿಚ್ ಮೇಲೆ. Driven to long on. Abhijit, after picking up his first wicket in the first delivery itself, has brought in Akash to the middle, who's just off the mark. Anas now. Straight to Dr. Satish. Will not be getting in the single. Again, will Anas. Taken the aerial road. Sean will cut it off. Brilliant fielding. Really well done at deep mid wicket. Saved couple of runs for his team. Really required such kind of a fielding to boost up the morale of the whole fielding unit. Look at that. Stretching wide arms. Went with two hands. Saved 2 runs. The throw in very quick as well. 15 ಓವರ್ಗಳ ನಂತರ 119 5 ವಿಕೆಟ್ಗಳ ನಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಸನ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ. Srijit comes into the attack and the ball got that edge, genuine edge, and well saved by Dr. Satish there. Lovely bit of footwork coming into play. Went across at short third. Would have been a boundary if he hadn't saved that. Oh. Gone to the aerial road this time. Cows Corner Country can be spectators to put that ball inside. Look at that. Once again, Anas taking that aerial route. Srijit, nothing wrong with the ball. It's just that length that has given Anas the elevation to get under the ball. Cows Corner Country's position for a 6. Much required 6 with wickets falling around for Artisan cricketers. Struck hard at deep extra cover for a single. Quicker through the air is Srijit. Rocked onto the back foot, swiveled across at square leg for a single. over the 16 overs done. 128 for the loss of 5 wickets. 4 more to go in this first innings. Dilip back into the attack. In the air, and long off can just put the ball back to the playing area. Look at that. Dilip welcomed to the bowling crease into Akash touching shot. Paddled across, shot fine leg inside the circle, and another boundary for Akash. In fact, is dealing in boundaries now. Dilip will be keeping all this in his memory and will be giving it back, I'm sure, when he comes out with the bat. He's losing that ball on the popping crease. We've seen Dilip so many times doing that delicate paddle sweeps and paddle touches and pick up shots and all those Dilip scoops. Akash gave one back to him as well. This time straight to Devaya, but still single taken. Scoring at 8.5 runs per over. Projected gives it 168. ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಸನ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ಸ್, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಆಸಿಫ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಮುದಸಿರ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಬಂದಂತ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ 200 ವರೆಗೂ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ SGCC have pulled it back. Once again, not much of a timing there on that shot. Deep square leg will cut it across for a single is Mahesh. Slow one, straight to shot fine. Naveen Puli there will do the cleaning up. 167 now projected total, and it'll be interesting to see what happens in the 3 overs after this. Uses his speed but long off. Once again will become a spectator. Another 6 to finish up that over. It's 147 for the loss of 5 wickets after 17. Look at that. Dilip trying to go in for that block hole, but equally good one was Akash. Put up his feet up and then long off can be a spectator. 147 for the loss of 5 wickets. 17 overs done. And it's Devaya now to come back into the attack. The prime bowler for SGCC 11. 147 for the loss of 5 wickets with 18 to play. Devaya, who's bowled 2 overs for 13, will be bowling in the 18th and the 20th. I'm guessing. Driven straight to Abhijit, that covers. We'll just get that single though. Checking that last ball 6 of the previous over by Anas. He made sure the block hole length was not effective by walking down the pitch and taking the ball on the full and putting it up on the long off's head. Try to do that again against Devaya, but Devaya intelligent enough to keep it at a back of the line delivery. SGCC T20 Season 3 brought to you by Sai Brains, Texas Fashion and Grace Cars. Day 2 of this 6-day long series. Oh, getting that thick outside edge. Unlucky. Unlucky is Devaya. But runs coming in thick and fast for Anas this time. It doesn't matter how it comes. As we're keeping the scoring busy is what Artisan cricketers will feel. Look at that. Slashed hard. Third man. 2 square rather than fine. Goes out to the boundary line. Good length now. He's keeping it up. Anas moves on to 30 with a quick fire, 19 deliveries. Bowled, gone! Devaya, the prime bowler for SGCC, into the attack, and he's picked up Akash, who is looking to make that scoring go towards the sky. Look at that. You miss, I hit. Simple strategy, but the length is the key. Yucked him completely. Shedding off that little bit of extra kilos is Devaya. Getting his run up and rhythm much more quicker now than before. And look at that ball for yocking Akash completely. It's really well done by the strike bowler for SGCC 11. Rahil now comes in. He's up against the pace of Devaya, who's got it so right. Just a boundary and a couple of runs in this over to finish the 18th. 153 for the loss of 6 wickets. Artisan cricketers. Dilip will finish up his spell with this penultimate over 19th. 3 ಓವರ್ಗೆ 34 ರನ್ 1 ವಿಕೆಟ್ ನ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ದಿಲೀಪ್ ಅವರ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ 19ನೇ ಓವರ್ಗೆ ಅನಸ್ ಕಡೆವರೆಗೂ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಆರ್ಟಿಸನ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ಸ್ ನ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ದಿಲೀಪ್ ಅದನ್ನ ತಡೆದು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 170 the projected from here on in. Slower one, picked up well. It's really nice, good execution by Dilip because he saw Anas stepping down the track, rolled his fingers over, and a single to deep backward square. Once again. Keeping it so tight. The opening bowlers for SGCC doing that death bowling as well. Sai Brains and Texas Fashion and Grace Cars bringing up this SGCC T20 Cup Season 3 for us as Rahil faces up Dilip. Once again a slower delivery, deceiving in pace. Beaten for the change of pace. Is varying it up, is mixing it very well is Dilip. ಎರಡನೇ ಸ್ಲೋ ಬಾಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಅದೊಂದು ಓವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಟ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Connects and fields very well. Wow, that's 3 dot balls in a row by Dilip. Not easy to come in and start hitting at the word go when bowlers are so very good in their rhythm. Rahil now has got 2 balls to do that. Goes down the track and he connects really well. All the pressure that was there in the last 4 deliveries is being released now. Another slow delivery, back of the hand delivery. This time Rahil noticed it, got under the ball, pulled over the back of the bowler's head. Wanted to go for the big one. Sean will charge in and goes to the keeper. Ledges and yes, it has to go back. Rahil has to go back and Sean, look at what he's done once again in the field. While he was bowling, he picked up 2 wickets, saved a couple of runs a while ago, and this time he is involved in a run out. That's really nice. And the score right now is just confirming on that. It's the second run that was taken, which was out, so it's 1 run. स्क्रीन में से ड्रोन का एक देखना मैं ड्रोन पता है मुझे ड्रोन क्या कर को बोल रहा हूँ इतना ड्रोन हमारा सर का फिराया है वो उतना देख लिया है छोड़ दे जितने बाल है उतने ड्रोन देखा है वो स्कोर देखा बाल से भी ज्यादा देख लिया मैं हाँ डाल दिया बस स्कोर 161 now for the loss of 7 wickets after 19 overs and what an over that was by Dilip. It had all the blockbuster elements for a super duper over. Devaya now comes for the last over of the innings. 161 on board. Bowled, gone. First ball, pace at its best. for Devaya. Look at that, hitting the off stump with no will. ಅದು ಯಾರು ಔಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು? ಸೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ಅನಸ್. ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬೇಸಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆನ್ ಆದ್ರು ಹಾಗೂ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ದೇವಯ್ಯ. ಅನಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ ದಟ್ ante of run rate, has to perish for 30. Ronak Singh comes in. Look at what T20 cricket can get to. Last 5 deliveries and we have 2 men in the crease who haven't faced the ball and who haven't got off the market. Lovely. Good equalizer this game. Such a life learning experience this game has been. ಮೇಲಿದ್ದವ್ರು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. And Devaya once again just wide outside the off stump, fuller in length. Batsman cannot get under it. Off the mark, Ronak Singh. That's good to see. Wherein now it's up to Shahid Sharif, the left-hander. Not too much changes in the field though. Deep covers, short fine and square leg. Short fine leg pushed back now to deep fine. Long off comes up. Uses his feet. Pushed it to deep mid wicket. Will be going for the second run. No, he won't. Both men now off the mark. Both batters need to put out something in the last 3 deliveries remaining. But against Devaya, it's going to be a challenge. ಮೂರೇ 3 ಬಾಲ್ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ರೋನಕ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಶಾಹಿದ್ಗೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಲೆಂತ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಹಿಂದಿನ ಓವರ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಓವರ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ದೇವಯ್ಯ is completely making sure he is attacking that block hole length. Trying to make some room, slashes hard, deep backward point. Will have to get that out of the sun. Couple of runs though. Mahesh there at deep backward point. Last ball of the innings. ಕೇವಲ 5 ರನ್ಗಳು ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಈ ಕಡೆ.